Christian Gagarin.
Partner,
Exactly.
I'm speaking about Gagarin. Nice left, partner.
Maganda ang tinatakbo ng boxing career nitong Pinoy boxer na si Christian Gagarin. Nagkasunod-sunod ang panalo. Kaya naman sa sumunod na laban, ikinasa ito sa isang matigas na boxer from Korea na si Ryusi Baba.
Is on this fight.
Exactly, partner. And starting early with his offense is Christian Gagarin. Good composure shown by the Japanese, who is also very
Again,
competitive. Yeah.
again, the Filipino fighter is starting very aggressive on this fight. Don't be deceived with the looks of Baba. But I think he is having heavy hands on his tooth.
Exactly. And he counters pretty fast.
Yes.
There's always a lot of power as well, both hands.
And the problem with Gagarin, when he throws his powerful punches, he is very open and very susceptible with the counters of Ruisi Baba. Like that, partner, nakababa siya eh.
And he also has to maintain that balance.
Yes.
Yung punching. Yung mga swings na ganun. He's susceptible to be off balance. Ginagawa
Tama,
niya yun.
tama naman.
Oh, huge right overhand. Baba shoots it off.
Nice combination by Ruisi Baba. Head body by Baba.
Thinking here, partner, yung mga viewers natin na babahala. No? They want Gagarin to save and try to be more economic with his offense.
Yes.
Ano? Hindi yung ibibigay niya lahat dito sa round 1. Kind of a huge right by Christian Gagarin.
Nice body combination by Baba.
Caught with their guard down. Diba, partner?
Yeah. Oh, nice 1-2 by Baba.
A wild
An upper by
left and
Gagarin.
upper by Gagarin. You know, at a certain distance, that punch can really create damage.
Yes,
I
yes.
think it's just too wild and too far.
Again, at tingin ko lang the adrenaline factor being in front of your countryman. I think yun yung meron sense of pride kaya lumalaban talaga yung mga fighter na Pilipino.
Kaya natin idol tong si referee Dan Rex Tapdasan eh. Ang ganda ng comment niya. Oo nga naman guys, no? Hindi naman tayo maririnig ng ating mga fighters. So,
Pero ulitin ko, Attorney Dan Rex Tapdasan, baka naman may uwi mo ko ng keychain ng kangaroo.
ako boomerang naman ko.
No, seriously speaking, I'm very proud tayo kay Attorney Dan
Of
Rex.
course.
So I think
Representing us
I
pretty
think
well,
I
yeah.
think siya ang maging referee for Team Zoo again
Right.
for tomorrow's title defense against Ocampo.
Just so proud to have a great Filipino referee
Yes.
representing the Philippines in the
Basta may
arena.
Pilipino na nagre-represent sa atin overseas, malaking factor 'yan. Hindi lang sa boxing but the whole sports.
There you have it, good distance by Baba. Itong si Gagarin kasi, no question about his power, no? But it's, yun na nga eh, minsan, when he punches off balance, it takes away the power from the punch.
Again, partner, the same pattern ay yung laban ni Samson against Bay. Same pattern. But this time, lala niya sa akin na mayroon akong utang na t-shirt. Oh, yun.
Avid fan pa naman yan.
Hopefully magkita na tayo very very soon at naka-stock up na ako ng t-shirt ko.
Yes.
Thank you for your patience and hopefully we see each other very very soon. Balik na tayo sa round number 3 of this fight. So far, how do you see the fight, Ma'am Rica?
Well, certainly Baba is accurate, more accurate with the punches, counter-punching, even when he's initiating the action. But, unmistakably, itong si Gagarin is just punching, Kahit nakita mo, wala siya sa balanse.
Yes.
Kahit na he's just a machine that keeps on punching, Kahit natatamaan na siya.
Oh, sabi ni Kandog Anthony, Sir, pahingi ng t-shirt. Anong t-shirt ba yung hinihingi mo?
Siyempre, RF.
Hindi. Gusto ko malaman kung anong t-shirt yung hinihingi mo.
It's straight
Diba?
by Gagarin, yes.
If masasagot mo ako, I will give you one.
There you have it. Gagarin gaining more momentum with his hook straight combinations. Baba is able to withstand what he has to give, But if, correct me if
Closely look at that. I think hindi, partner. Because
a t-shirt ng Iloilo ba, sabi ni Anthony Candog.
sino? Ay, hindi yan sa akin. Hindi sa akin yung Ilorde po. Sorry po, hindi sa akin ang Ilorde na t-shirt.
Yes, thank you, Arnie Ayuba the third. And if you're liking what you're seeing, please share this video. Follow Elorde TV.
O yan ang direkta. Arnie, humihingi daw siya ng t-shirt sa'yo, Ma'am Rica. Si Arnie June Ayuba. Ayun.
Sige. Pag nagkita tayo, anong size mo ba?
Ayun.
There you have it. Ang gandang laban, partner. Both of these boxers still
Yes.
game after, sustaining a lot of shots. Night of
Hindi ko
Champions.
na maalala, partner. Hindi ko na maalala.
Kailan ba yun? 1930s? Ganyan?
Ay nako, nasalamat po at ako'y umabot ng Night of Champion 29.
And many more to go.
Oo, marami pa. Sige, Jonathan, Takuning, paki-message mo ko sa personal page ko at ilagay mo yung size mo. Ha? Salamat.
Here we go. Both boxers just trading at the middle of the ring.
Yeah. At sana po mabanggit naman kami ng ring announcer. Paminsan-minsan lang po.
Yes, of course, the very famous Sir Jaime Villanera.
Ang cue sa atin susunod na yung Raymark Gaballo, Michael Bravo.
Sherwin Elezio, shout out daw. Ikaw, Sir Alvin.
Kay Junrick Carcido. Belated happy birthday. Junrick, pasensya ka na. Ngayon lang kita mababati. Happy birthday, Junrick Carcido. The World Boxing Foundation Asia Pacific Super Lightweight Champion, partner. Hindi pa ako matanda, naaalala ko pa.
Ay, syempre naman ikaw ang coordinator niyan At Vice President of the WBF in the Asia Pacific region.
Sana magkita tayo, Jess Ray, one day. It's either kung saan tayo magkita. Basta sabihin mo yung size mo para alam ko. Okay?
Here we go. Round number 5. Is the action going to be the same
Yes.
for Christian Gagarin? Kasi kanina nyo pa pinagdududahan ang hangin niya. But right now, he keeps on punching.
He just throwing numerous leather, partner.
Exactly.
I'm speaking about Gagarin. Nice left, partner.
There you go. Huge left and right to the body. But make no mistake, the Japanese boxer is quick. He has sound fundamentals, very balanced stance.
Binabati ko lang si Coach Ronelio Arizala. Coach, hindi pa po tapos. Susunod na laban na po yung Kagabalyo. Tapos
Shoutout,
nito.
Coach Bong. Sir Remy Chesson, shoutout watching us from Congo, Africa. There you have it. Huge shots by Christian Gagarin against the less balanced boxer. That is going to be devastating, but the balance of Rayusi Baba is exceptional. Kita niyo naman, balance tumayo, very defensive. But Gagarin, kita niyo, keeps on punching. Oh, good left and right hand by the Japanese. Quick punches. Comes back with a right hand of his own. There you have it. Left, right, left by Christian Gagarin. Oh, wow. Huge shots. Rayusi Baba shakes it off as if saying he is not faced by those shots. Thank you, Sir Bong Arizala. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ninyo. There you have it. A left for the Japanese, a right for Gagarin.
Pala yung isa sa mga anak-anakan ko din. Joey Canoy, nandito rin pala. OPBF light flyweight champion. Joey, babyface din to. Babyface Canoy.
Shout out kay Joey Canoy. Michael Bravo. After nito is Michael Bravo na versus Raymond Gaballo. Michael Marigonen, shout out kay Renz D. Body shots from the Japanese. Gagarin tries to clinch and hold on.
Medyo nararamdaman na po ni Ma'am Rica ang pressure at nagsasalita siya ng walang mic.
Madulas ang mic, ano? Mahirap kalaban sa ring itong mic na to, na madulas. Ariel Salvacion, shout out. Rodel De La Peña, shout out sa iyo dyan sa De La Peña family.
Tama.
Huge. That was a beautiful combination by Baba. 2 shots to the head and the body.
Naniniwala ka ba sa akin, partner, yung adrenaline at saka yung sense of pride ang nagpapatayo sa isang Pilipino?
Oo naman, partner. I mean, we are known internationally for that.
Pa-shoutout daw.
And the action ensues, partner. Final 19 seconds of round 6 and they are just throwing caution to the wind, partner.
This is gonna be an interesting decision, partner. Oh, what a party by Baba. Ten seconds.
Walang pagod-pagod dito, partner. Oh my! Combination after combination. There you have it. The final punch by Christian Gagarin was that the left.
Split decision, Christian.
So yan po ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo ngayong araw sa mga kaibigan at kababayan natin dyan sa Pinas, mga boxing fans at sa mga tulad kong OFW, saan man panig sa mundo. Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? Kung nagustuhan niyo po itong aking video, paki-like at kung pwede, mag-subscribe na din po kayo. At para updated kayo sa aking mga video, pwede nyo i-click ang notification bell. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Shout out kay Mr. Minandro Domingo ng KSA, kay Mr. Brando Makatangay ng KSA, kay Mr. Ricardo Bernaldo Jr., GI pa din ng Bahamas, kay Mr. Narciso Dupla, kay Miss Madam B at Bill Mahamfreyes, kay Mr. Dong Tangloy Malyari, Jen Merdan Garcia ng Macau, Nerio Morcia, Billy Jubildad, Jan Maravillas at kay Mr. Edgar Balili. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta nyo sa aking channel.
He still does that. Final seconds of round 1. The lower is out. Down goes the chin. The chin is down. Could not be saved by the bell. Remember, if California has a beautiful counter right hand, he's got to beat the count. And he will not beat the count. But that is the first round knockout by Brian Barrera. Goodness, what an impressive.
By no need to go there. has suffered 10 consecutive defeats in professional boxing. So at this point now, they're right now.
And Penelos is still following him around. Oh, good body shot.
Yeah, body shot puts Gonzalez down.
He's hurting.
Если не нокаут. Все, аут. Праздник на Филиппинах.
Arenas, Joe's been in a lot of close, tough fights. 4 draws and 5 split or majority decisions. Unlike Davis, he's fire testing, ready for battle. Oh, he backs him up into the corner.